So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, today I am here with one important notice for your career, for your future. That's a GPSC dental exam. It's a class 2 tutor job available for many subjects. So aspirant, as we know, our life goals should not be hard only, but it should be smarter. So with the smart goal and hard goals, you can achieve high performance. So GPSC exam is very good. This time 5 separate exams are there, so you can try for 5 examination and you can try in very good way. Only dental subjects are there, so fair exam where only dental subjects are there. You give, you get good marks, go to interview and get good marks, the average will be there and you are selected for it. So good chance for all the students out there, all the BDS students out there, to go for the class 2 tutor job. Okay aspirants, so in this video I'm going to talk about the important notices regarding the GPSC exam which have come, because a lot of you are asking me, sir, what is there, what is not there. So in this video I'm going to share all the important points, and along those important points are from the government website only. So link and PDF has been given in the description box, so you can see them, and any doubt you can ask me. And along with that I am going to share how our academy helps in teaching you and in excelling the examination. So let's get started with the current video. So general information. So the form availability is from 15 July to 31st July. Try to fill the form before 29 July, because sometime at the end of the day the server is busy, a lot of students are applying, sometimes the payment mode is getting problem. So try to fill it before 29th of July. This is the authenticate website from where you have to fill. There's a gpsc.gujarat.gov.in. Then application fee, it is 100 rupees for the open category, while other reserve category people, the application fee is not there. And clearly it is written that the candidates of reserve category of other state, means state other than Gujarat, have to pay application fees. Then aspirant exam date. So these are a tentative exam dates. So you can see general physiology, anatomy, this is not applicable to us because it requires MBBS degree, while the advertisement number from 07 to 11 is applicable to us, like dental materials, oral and maxillofacial surgery, prosthodontics and crown and bridge, pediatric dentistry and orthodontics. So you can see we have a good opportunity for 5 different exams, and my sincere advice to all my dear students out there that you should give all the 5 exams. You can excel in any one of them, and bingo, you will get the GPSC job. So mostly the exam is between the October and November. Then see the next page, aspirant, that what are the basic qualification and experience required for this exam. So clearly mentioned, a BDS degree from any concerned university or the deemed university should be there. You should have the basic knowledge of computer application as prescribed by the government, and adequate knowledge of Gujarati or Hindi, or both should be there. Along with that, there is one important point regarding experience, that 1 year of professional experience in dentistry is required after acquiring the requisite qualification. It means what, aspirant? After you completed your BDS, so internship experience is not counted here. So clearly written that after acquiring the requisite qualification, means after you complete BDS, at least 1 year of professional experience, means experience in any of the good clinic or hospital is required. Nowhere it is mentioned that experience of college is needed. Okay aspirant, so please don't get confused in this. Then how the exam pattern is there. So it is clearly written that a paper of concerned subject of 200 marks, like you are giving the exam for the orthodontics, the exam or questions for orthodontics will be there. The duration is around 3 hours, and this 2 point indicate that at least you have to get 25% marks in preliminary test if you want to eligible for the interview, and for SC/ST it is 20% marks. Then aspirant, we are going to tell that how we are helping, how our academy is helping. So we teach to all the students for the government exam, for the NEET exam, and a lot of good success we have. So in our academy, we are good providing detailed lectures of each and every subject. And lectures are such that consist of the images, video, audio, voice notes from standard textbook, which you can save and access whenever you want. We have MCQ discussion. Every week we are going to MCQ discussion, and before examination, continuous 7 to 10 days we are going to discuss MCQ, so that will help you to remember and to practice. Then we have a test papers, practice papers, and past papers. Then important exam oriented notes. So for per subject I'm going to give more than 500 important points, so that may help you in your examination. At the same time, I will also help you how to plan your preparation, because one subject is that you should be thorough in that, how you have to read the textbook, how you have to read your MCQ book, how you have to read your synopsis, everything I am there for you to plan. So in this manner we help the aspirant. And aspirant, what are our course features? So we are starting our new batch from July 23rd. More than 50 exams, more than 30 discussion, around more than 2500 images I am going to share, around 1500 voice notes, videos we are going to share. The mode of lecture is e-WhatsApp based lecture and online links. And the mode of exam is a mobile friendly website. So I have designed website in such a manner that you can give exam from your mobile also. And the cost we have kept very minimal. It's around 1999 for test series, lecture series, discussion and notes. And for only test series, notes and discussion, it is 999. And remember aspirants, you can save and access your lecture anytime, anywhere. For more details you can contact here, and our website is also there. So fine aspirants, that was all from my side regarding today's video. Remember, the new batch is starting from July 23rd. All the information is there in the description box also. And regarding one more important thing, how to fill the form, the link is given on the I button above, and also the link has been shared in the description box, so please go through that. So aspirant, please work hard for your dreams. Okay, it will not work unless you do. So it's a nice opportunity for all the budding dentists out there to get in the government public service commission job. So till then aspirant, take care. We will come up with the important points regarding the examination. Anybody want to join can message me, and work hard. Any doubt you can write in the comment box, and also you can message me. Thank you all.